creating a smart and autonomous journey. We have Jim Buczkowski with us, and Jim is a Henry Ford Technical Fellow and Director, Electrical and Electronics Systems Research and Innovation at Ford. And you've been with Ford, what, 37
years, yeah.
All right, so the obvious question to me is, when you were a little younger and you joined Ford, and, you've always been an automotive kind of guy, always been a big car guy?
Well, my dad worked for Ford for 41 years before he retired.
Wow. So it's in the blood.
It is definitely in the blood.
So when you joined Ford, would you have had any idea that the automotive world would have evolved from where it was when you joined the automotive company to where we are today?
Well, certainly predicting the future and predicting the impact on where we are today was something I never imagined. I did come out of, a Ford family with my dad working for Ford, but then going to college in electrical engineering, which wasn't necessarily the mainstay for automotive, but coming to Ford, I saw the possibilities as electronics 37 years ago. Electronics was just kind of starting off, and it's really accelerated there ever since. And I think even in those early days, there were a lot of naysayers that said, this will pass. It's a novelty kind of a thing, and so in electronics. But with regulation, emissions, safety, as well as in the latter part of the career here, where consumer electronics have had a big impact. It's really changed the way people and what people expect to be able to do with their cars.
In many ways, it would seem that the electronics part of the vehicles is, if not equal to, in some respects, more of a play in the automotive development than the design. All those things, maybe 20, 30 years ago, we would have thought it's all about how that car looks.
Well, and how much horsepower and torque it had as well, too.
Right.
And although those are still important, the real differentiation comes in the kinds of